Jingle bell.
Welcome back to my channel, and today is Vlogmas day 25. So Merry Christmas, everybody. Anyway, Merry Christmas, everybody. I just got off work and I am waiting for the bus. I have to make a quick run before I go home, and then I'm going home and I don't know, I might open up my gift and stuff, but yeah, I hope everybody's Christmas is full of love and laughter, and I hope everybody gets what they want for Christmas. I hope everything goes well for you all. I'm tired, but I don't think I'm gonna go to sleep when I get home. I gotta do some stuff, but anyway, yeah, I'm going home now. Well, no, I'm gonna go to Dollar General and then I'm gonna head home because I have to get some stuff. Like, you would think that I went to Family Dollar yesterday and I had this item on my mind, but I saw it online and I was like, ugh, I just want to go. So I just got what I got, and then I forgot to grab what I needed the most. So hopefully Dollar General is open and I could go to Dollar General and get the stuff I gotta get. Feminine hygiene products. So yeah. It's like a dead zone. It's like a dead zone over here. Oops. It's like a dead zone. Like, there's no cars anywhere. Like, they all parked up. And like, it's nothing. It's nothing. It's just a dead zone. So that's what the holidays look like out here where I live. Oh, the bus is here. The bus is coming, so I'm gonna get off and catch up with y'all later. I'm home. I'm about to lay down for a little bit because my tummy hurts still. And yeah, I need to order me a new remote because I had this remote control for some years. This is the original remote control that came with my TV. So like the OK button is coming out. And if you look in the back, the spring thing is missing. So I can't work my TV without my remote. So I have to find the spring thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna find it. So I'm gonna have to cave in and buy a new remote control, which I don't want to do. But I'm gonna have to, because I can't find it. I was talking to my sister on the phone, and she's like, yeah, you're gonna have to buy a new remote control. And I'm like, I don't want to. She's like, well, you're not gonna be able to watch TV. And I need to watch King of the Hill. that's that. But yeah, it's somewhere on the floor. If I find it, then I'm in, you know, I'm good. But if I don't find it, I'm gonna have to wait until I get paid to order the new remote control. She's like, order it off Amazon. And I'm just like, I don't want to. I don't want to spend money. So my mom and her boyfriend are in the kitchen cooking. She cooked the ham yesterday. She got oven stuffing in there right now. He's making sweet potatoes. I'm waiting for her to come back from the store so we could get she going to get milk. And I'm just chilling right now. I don't think I'm gonna make anything, because I cooked for like the last like 2 days. I cooked chicken for my birthday, which was 6 days ago, and I made oxtails on Sunday, and I cooked that whole meal by myself. So I don't think I'm cooking anything. I'm cooked out for the year. So I'm going to lay down, and then I'm gonna get up. It's only like 11 something. So I really need to find my TV remote though, because I'm gonna be a depressed mess if I can't find it. Not the TV remote, but the spring, so I could watch TV. And the fun thing is, me and my sister got the same TV, but hers is more modern than mine. And she can't find her remote. So I can't even use her remote because yeah, I'm a hot mess this morning. So I'm gonna change, and then I'm going to look for the spring for my TV remote. You got Thomas. You can sit in Thomas and play Thomas and watch Thomas and Thomas. Like, hello, isn't that genius? Oh my God.
All Thomas down.
All Thomas down.
Oh, Thomas down.
This is you need those. Ah, he's like, no, this is the toy right here, right? And then you got this. Pajamas. Yeah, you need those. Okay, we're gonna give some to Daddy, if he could take some. Well, it's 3. You got, yeah, it's 3. 3, right? Oh, you got just like father, like son. That's you do look like them. Cause all I'm gonna do is lose them in that room. I only see them one time. Never again. At least I got a tiny guy drawer. Oh, underwear. You need those. You're pooping everything. Use the shitty girl. Look, he tried to open up the Thomas. You got more drawers. He don't care about it. Who cares about those? And you got t-shirts. That's it, right? You got more t-shirts. You got all the t-shirts. More socks. Yeah, she got him like 12 pairs of socks and 12 pairs of underwears and... That's it? I thought there was more than that. Oh, there's another one. Let me get that one. Oh, wow. T-shirts. He want to open up the Thomas.
Yeah.
Just so that we can have, you know. You want to see the tent too? I want to see what the tent look like. You want the other two?
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah. Look at this. This joint is huge. I didn't think this was that big.
Whoa.
I remember when my grandma got us a tent. No. It wasn't even a tent. It was a tunnel. How you know? You wasn't there. Damn. This thing is huge. Are you just like not impressed by it or what?
He's just like...
So, gotta put batteries in Thomas. So far, what I did 2. Okay, see on. Hold your Thomases. Say cheese. Ooh. Hey, cheese. Where did I put the batteries? I need to try. Cheese. See on your foot is in the picture. They look good, right? See? What's this one? That's James? Is it? No, the red one. Yeah. James so heavy though. Oh, James got batteries. You put batteries in this already? I probably did. Maybe you did that one.
Jingle bell, jingle bell,
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Jason, you gotta get them before they go underneath the damn thing. Get them. It's one more underneath there. Look. Close to daddy. I gotta go save Thomas. Come on. So I can save Thomas. Oh God. Oh man. Is he underneath the couch? I'm going to attempt to put this together for my nephew. This is what I got him for Christmas. And first of all, I could have took it out the bag and didn't even know. He's like, who are you talking to? You should have got that facial expression. I'm talking to Vlogmas, Jay. I'm talking to Vlogmas. Comes with this Superstation. Tracks, pull them out. Yeah. Yo, they gonna block my comments. That's everything. Oh, we got stickers. Okay, ready? It's an instruction manual. Let's see. And is it color? Kudos. Who's this? Fisher Price? Oh, they want you to label everything. Come on.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell,
Uh-oh, they put it together. Oh. There you go. I did it! So this is it. You broke it. What? He didn't break it. Oh, yeah. All right, let's see how to play with it now. All right, look. So this is what we're going to do. And then, look. And then roll them up. Oh, God. Oh, shit, almost. We almost had it. Oh, yup, that's what she's there for. So she's supposed to be, all right, so see, CJ figuring shit out. Keep going. Oh, no. Damn, he did it perfectly the first time. All right, start getting ready for work tonight. I should be home playing with the toys. I got my nephew with him, but that's not gonna happen. But he did get a new game. His dad got him a Yoshi game. So we're gonna play that while my stuff is washing in the washing machine. It's hooked up, the game is hooked up to my TV already. All I have to do is turn it on and we're gonna play. We're gonna play that a little bit. And I'm going to show y'all what I got for Christmas. And then I'm going to end the vlog. Also, I'm going to show y'all what my mom ate, too. Because my mom cooked a whole dinner for Christmas. So, you know, I still got a little bit more things to show y'all. So don't fray just yet. You know what I mean? This is going to be a jam-packed vlog before I go back to work. Plate before work. It's my second plate. So we got chicken, collard greens, baked mac and cheese, yams and ham. So that's what I'm eating before work. And I got some juice. I'm gonna sit in the living room and watch Bubble Guppies. Guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy Vlogmas as much as I enjoy recording. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give this video some thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below video ideas. And if you've done all that and you like what you see, make sure you hit that notification mark. Ding, 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 ding. Become part of notification squad up, so you can be notified when I drop a new video. All right, that's the end of Vlogmas. I don't know what's gonna happen after this with the video uploads. I'm about to go to work. I'm about to start working. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.